In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create a professional Gmail account. To get started, open your web browser and go to the Google Create Account page. This is the official sign-up page where Google walks you through setting up a new Gmail address. Using the official page helps you avoid fake sign-up forms and makes sure you are creating the account the right way. Once you are on the Create Account screen, choose the option that says For My Business. This selection helps guide Google to set things up with a more professional intent, even though you are still creating a standard Gmail account. After you select For My Business, you will be asked to confirm your choice. Click Yes. Continue to move forward. Next, you will enter basic details. Type in your name, or your company name if that fits your brand better, and then enter your birthday. These details help Google verify that you meet account requirements and also help with account recovery later. Take a moment to enter accurate information, because changing key details can be more difficult after the account is created. Now you will choose your Gmail address. This is where you make it professional. Aim for something clean and easy to say out loud, like a variation of your name or business name. Avoid extra numbers or random characters if you can, since those can look less professional. If your first choice is taken, try small, simple variations that still look polished. After that, create your password. Choose a strong password that is unique to this account. A good approach is to use a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols, and to make it long enough that it is difficult to guess. Store it somewhere secure, such as a trusted password manager, so you do not lose access later. Next, Google will ask for an email or phone number that you will use for company purposes. This is for verification and recovery, so use a number or email you can reliably access. This step is important because it makes it much easier to reset your password if you ever get locked out. Finally, follow the prompts on screen to complete setup. These prompts may include verification and agreeing to Google terms. Once you finish, your new professional Gmail account will be ready to use for business communication. And that is all there is to it.